from Nadine Reviews, and today I'm here with my Nadine West. I said I was gonna unsubscribe and I still got one because I am not organized. Anyway, Nadine West is a styling subscription service. You don't pay for anything, you just pay the shipping costs, and then whatever you decide to keep comes out of that price if you decide to keep it. You do fill out a style survey when you sign up. It varies. I will link down below to Nadine West with my referral. I'll also link to my full review on my blog. I will, what else will I do? I don't know. I do like that their prices are lower, but lately I feel like it's been a hit. It's been miss for me. I will also, if I decide to try anything on, I'll put that at the end of the video and tell you guys in the description what I decided to keep. I don't know. Anyway, let's get in here. It's just been a miss lately for me, and I don't know. I did it again. I keep doing this. This is the return bag, and I keep oh no, I did it right. Never mind. It's fine. So you put everything back in here and then you seal it back up. I ripped it a couple months ago. All right, everything should be individually packaged. See, they kind of put everything in here. All right, and then we'll look at the insert and I'll tell you how much everything costs. So first off, we have this black shirt. It has like a band at the bottom to kind of make it tight, and then so it's going to make it poofy at the bottom. I don't know what that's called, but I don't really like that, so this is probably going to be a no for me. Also, sleeveless now. We're in September. I don't really need more sleeveless. Summer's over, guys. Okay. All right, then we have this giant sweater, which I think is ugly, and I have one similar already, but it's not ash. I ever see those giant hoodies? I have a friend that has a giant hoodie. That's what this reminds me of. It's just so big. Like, why on earth would they send this to me? Like, what on earth? And it's a small. What? Oh, I don't know. That's a no. Then I have, this is from Yoleti. This is actually really cute. I love this dress. I love the colors. Depending on the price, I actually might keep that. I think it's fun. You don't see many color combinations like that, and it's perfect for fall. So there's that. Next pile. All right. They did it by color. That's interesting. Okay, this looks like a cardigan, right? Is it a cardigan? No, or is it a dress? It's inside out. I mean, somebody tried it on. Sorry, guys. I'm just being honest. All right, so this, I'll be honest, I like the color. I don't know if I like this fit. This is small. Oh, they changed my size for me. What? Are you watching my videos, Nadine? They gave me smalls. I said in like the past, in my other video, I wonder sometimes if they're watching. Everything was medium, and I was like, oh, I gotta change my size, and I never did. They did for me. That's awesome. They must have a great marketing department out there. Anyway, these are some pumps. I wore things like this in high school, bell bottoms. I will not wear these. Like, that's just a no for me. That's no, I don't like those. No, right? That's a no. Those are a no. That's a no, right? Then we have these pants. I love orange. Orange is my absolute favorite color. And it's fall, and this is just perfect. Oh, oof. But do I need these? Like, oh, I love them though. I want to wear them right now. They're like soft and pliable, and there's just something very elegant about them. I love them. And I have a pair of pants like that in the same color, but I want those. All right, this by the way has a lot of great stuff. I'm not gonna lie. All right, we have some leggings. Oh, these are cute. Okay, I like these. Are actually not that, like, I wouldn't pick these at the store, but they're like cute. If they're like 30 bucks, I'm gonna be so pissed. Anyway. All right. Hey, dude, don't do that. All right, this is a snake cardigan. That's a no. I don't like snake anything. Like, ugh. Here's my insert. So you put this back in, and then you put the label on the bag and send it back. All right. Final thing. I don't like that you have to get jewelry, so I never even like, there's like a bracelet, fantastic, serenity, incredible, spectacular, marvelous, blah blah blah, schmitzy, whatever. Not into it. there's more. Ugh. A rose gold necklace. No, I just have so much jewelry, I don't need it. And these huge earrings. Earrings, I put them in and like I wear them for like an hour and I get like, start to get like a headache and I take them off. I'm like, nope. All right, so, oh, are these flared pants? Oh, I love these. Oh, these look so snuggly. Oh, I hope they're not that expensive. Oh, I love them. They're like super soft. Oh, I want to wear them everywhere. All right, then we have another pair of pants. I always say that I want nice clothes, and they were sending me like pants. I was like, I'm not gonna wear that. These are cute. Like a legging type. And then another item from Yoleti. This is the last item. This is a dress. It's just like the yellow one, but it's blue. Ooh, that's interesting. So anyway, all right, let's look at the prices, and then I will get to what I was saying. Sorry, I was throwing something over there because that's what I kind of do. All right, the top Tracy and Burgundy. That's that giant thing. That's $11.99. Not a bad price though. The top Sienna Tan Brown, which I believe is this. That's a top, is $30.99. Maryland top medium. I don't know which one that was. Oh, this guy here. $31.49. I don't want that though. Bottom, Beatrice Camel. This guy, I'm guessing, is, oh, Beatrice Camel. I'm guessing this one actually. Ooh, I might keep those. $14.19. That's not bad. And then khaki, $11.99 for these. That's not bad. Ava Navy. Ooh. $11.99. I'm gonna, oh, if I like those on, if they're not too long, I'm gonna keep them. All right, the skinny bottoms are $29.99. That's a no. I just won't. That's too much for a legging. Madly multi-fur bottom. What? Oh, this one. Floral, $22.19. Now I have to think about that. The dress in coffee. Is that this? I don't know. $35.99. I'm guessing that's this. Dress Carla black stripe. No, that's Carla. $44.99. I'm confused. Coffee black stripe navy. Oh, that is that dress. I wonder if this is. Yeah, this is the one. The top in brown, $30.99. The dress, the navy dress in navy and coffee are both, oh, one's $44.99 and $35.99. That's weird. But the striped one that I liked is $44.99, which is way too pricey. But I am going to insert some pictures of me trying everything on right here.